After what was a bumper Thursday, Anuj is joining in with the trading setup. Anuj, good morning. So what do you make of things after yesterday's big surge?
Yeah, morning, Surabhi. You know what? Yesterday's trade reminds me of the song. You may not have heard of it. Mangala, I'm sure, would have. Aakhir tumhe aana hai, zara der lagegi. It's like, FIS coming back in the market and how 7,000 crores of buying in cash market. But, make no mistake, some of it was a pure expiry related play because you did see not just a small squeeze, a massive squeeze in the call positions. I'll just give you two strikes, 25,200 and 25,300 calls. And look at the moves from 1.5 rupees to 223 rupees and from 25 paisa to 123 rupees. So you did buy 7,000 crores in cash, but you did make a lot of money in the options. Of course, the other big question is, was it just an options game or was this also because of the rate cuts? You have the ECB rate cut, next week perhaps the Fed rate cut. So some money already moving to the risky assets or supposed risky assets like commodities, like emerging markets. That could be a possibility because after ECB, the focus will shift to Fed. The bank Nifty is 3% away from all-time high, so that's something to focus on. Yesterday's move could be a pointer towards filling that gap between Nifty and bank Nifty. Coming to levels then, the Nifty, of course, is trading in blue sky territory. So the next resistance is purely on options, 25,500, which is where the monthly options data is placed. And then, of course, you have 25,800 to 26,000. The support comes in at 25,100 to 25,200 first, and then 24,950 to 25,050. On the Bank Nifty had a 800-point rally yesterday. Let's move on to the resistances. The next resistance is 52,000, and the bigger resistance is 52,500. The first support would come at 51,500, and then the support comes in at 51,000. Let's come to the quote of the day. And this one would come up for you on the screen. Happiness isn't a goal, it's a byproduct of a life well lived. So enjoy your Friday and have a good weekend.
Enjoy our Friday and have a good weekend. Great quote, Anuj. But, you did whet our appetite by teasing a song. And it's a Friday. I can't let you go without singing a line or two of the song that you just mentioned, Aakhir tumhe aana hai.
Mangalam, let's leave it for another day. And, as I said, Surabhi, you may not know the song.
No, I do know the song. I don't know all the lyrics, but, well, yes, now that you mentioned it, yes, it's a classic.
Yeah, it's a classic. But, my singing ability, Mangalam, it's quite poor. So I would just keep it here.
Well,
all right.